Hi, I am Basavaraj Tonagatti from basunivesh.com, and in this video I am going to share with you my top 5 online term plans in India for 2020. Before proceeding further, first let us understand what is term life insurance. Term life insurance is nothing but a type of insurance where you are paying certain premium to life insurance companies, and in return life insurance companies are offering you the life risk coverage. Let me give you an example for your better understanding. Assume that a person whose age is around 30 years and he is looking for 20-year term, and the life risk he is opting is around 1 crore. If his death occurs within this 20-year period, then his nominee will receive the 1 crore as a death claim. However, if death not occurs within this 20 years period, then the policy holder will not receive anything. Now, what are the things I have to consider while buying the term life insurance? The first and important aspect what you have to understand is that what should be the ideal life insurance coverage. Ideally, as per my knowledge, it should be at least 15 to 20 times of your yearly income. The logic behind this is that suppose if something happens to you today, then for the next 15 to 20 years your financial dependent may not suffer any burden. The second thing is how long the term life insurance should be. Nowadays, many life insurance companies are offering you the life risk up to your 100 years or 80 years of age. To be frank, life insurance is not required during your retirement age. The logic is that during your retirement age, no one is financially dependent on you and you are financially free. So when you are financially free and no one is financially dependent on you, then life insurance is not at all required for you. Hence, restrict the term of the life insurance up to the working age. Then the third point what I want to highlight is that life insurance companies offers you many riders. It may be like a accidental insurance or else critical illness rider. Don't go for any riders. Reason is that life insurance is required for a limited period, whereas critical illness or accidental insurance is required throughout your lives. So don't go for any riders. Then the next point what I want to highlight is that many of us try to split our life insurance. For example, assume that I am going for 3 crore life insurance, and many people think that okay, let me split these 3 crore insurance among 3 insurance companies, so that if one company reject my claim, then at least my nominee will get the money from another 2 companies. But I will tell you, there is no logic or else there is no mandatory concept that okay, if one company reject the claim, then other 2 companies must accept it. And the utmost important thing when you are diversifying your life insurance is you have to understand that the more you diversify your life insurance, the more work you are giving to your nominee in your absence. So don't diversify your life insurance, for God's sake, stick to one company. Next thing is claim settlement ratio. Many life insurance companies or else even advisors also try to highlight this as if their big achievement. But I will tell you, claim settlement ratio is a raw data. It will not give you the clear picture of how many term life insurance the life insurance companies accepted or rejected. It is a combination of all the data of all the products, whatever it is available. For example, the death claim received by through endowment plans, ULIP plans, money back plans, and term life insurance. So there is no segregation of data with respect to claim settlement ratio. So don't rely on claim settlement ratio just to choose the product. Then when you are filling the form or else when you are opting for the online term life insurance, make sure that you disclose all the facts properly, especially when it comes to health related issues. Never skip the premium. When you opt for the term life insurance companies usually offer you the premium payment options like annual, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Choose the one as per your comfort, but make sure that you never skip a single premium also. If you skip your premium, then the policy is converted into a lapsed condition, and if you approach the insurance companies to reinstate the same, then the insurance companies will insist you to go for a medical examination. If during that period, if they found any health issues with respect to your medical examination, then they may cancel the registration of the policy, or else they may increase the premium at that time. So don't skip your life insurance premium. How often I have to review my life insurance? Many of us will buy a term life insurance of 1 crore, 5 crore or 10 crore, and we will think that okay, this much is enough for me throughout my life. But to be frank, you have to review your life insurance once in a 5 years at least. The logic is that as you grow older, your responsibilities towards your family increases, especially financial responsibilities. As and when there is an increase in your financial responsibility, you have to increase your life insurance also. Hence, review your life insurance once in a 5 years. And the last but the least one, life insurance is meant for risk mitigating. Don't consider it as an investment product. See, to be frank, I will tell you, life insurance is a simple product, but just to showcase themselves that okay, I am the best in the market, these life insurance companies created so many add-ons and complications to the buyers. Don't go for any such add-ons or fancy thing. Go for a simple term life insurance. Now let us understand how I have chosen my top 5 online best term life insurance for India in 2020. I consider 4 aspects. First one is how old the companies are. Ideally, I look for the oldest companies. The reason is that life insurance contract itself is a long-term contract between me and the insurance companies. So obviously, I will look for the company which is older one. The second one is to certain extent claim settlement ratio. Third one is premium rates, and fourth one is plan feature. After choosing all these, after going for all these criteria, I have chosen top 5 life insurance product under term life insurance. So they are, the first one is LIC's Tech Term. This is recently launched product and it is available at cheaper rate compared to the older one, and they have added so many features also, you can go for that. The second one is ICICI Pru iProtect Smart. Third one, HDFC Life Click to Protect 3D Plus. Fourth one, Max Life Online Term Insurance Plan Plus. And fifth one, Aegon iTerm Plan. When I compared the premium comparison of all these 5 plans, I noticed that LIC is still costlier in the market and Aegon is offering at damn cheap price. It doesn't mean that you have to go for Aegon, or else it doesn't mean that you must not stay away from LIC's Tech Term. You can choose any one among these top 5. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this video, you can comment over there and I am ready to help you out. And at the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. One more thing I want to bring to your notice that I want to conduct a financial planning awareness campaign. If you are ready to conduct in your society or organization, you approach me through my blog and I am very much interact with you, and let us schedule such an event in your organization or society. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.